First of all, I would like to thank you for joining this course. I would like also to thank those who are watching us on YouTube for their interest in our courses. My name is Amin Nasser. I am the director of the International Institute of Metal Forming Technology, and I will be with you in this course. The title of this course is Introduction to Metal Forming. And this course is the first and the most basic course in metal forming we offer here in the Institute. Metal forming, or the shaping of metals by plastic deformation, is a widely used family of manufacturing processes. There are many components in your cars that are produced by metal forming. There are many components in your refrigerators, in your washing machines, in your stoves and air conditioners that are produced by metal forming. Aluminum frames in windows and doors are also produced by metal forming. In your kitchen, the dishwashing sink and a high percentage of cookware are also produced by this important family of manufacturing processes. Now you have to know that metal forming has a technological importance, and therefore it affects our economy. And I will give you some examples. Electric cables, without which there is no electric power transmission and distribution, are produced by the wire drawing process, which is a metal forming process. Mechanical components of superior quality compared to those produced by casting or machining compared to cast and machined components are manufactured by the forging process, which is a metal forming process. Seamless pipes, which are considered very important for the oil and gas industry and for many other industries, can be produced by the rotary piercing process, which is classified under metal forming. I think that after all these examples, all of you understand and appreciate the importance of metal forming for many industries, such as the automotive industry, oil and gas, for the manufacturing of electrical components, machine components, and for the manufacturing of appliances. But you have to know that the importance of metal forming does not come only from its applications or from the fact that superior quality components can be produced by metal forming, but also because most metal forming processes are suitable for high volume or mass production, and because metal forming by nature is characterized by generating very low material waste, and for these reasons metal forming will be in many situations the most economic process. Now, I don't want you to misunderstand me and think that I'm trying to promote metal forming or trying to convince you that metal forming is more important than casting or machining or welding. Of course no. Each manufacturing process has its advantages and disadvantages, and it may or may not be suitable for certain applications. In this course, we are planning to have 35 lectures. Each lecture will be about 45 minutes. And although this course is a basic course in metal forming, I do believe that it is a pretty comprehensive and detailed course. We will cover almost all fundamental aspects related to metal forming, such as the mechanical behavior of metals, theory of plasticity, basic tribology in metal forming. We will also cover some selected metallurgical aspects related to metal forming. We will cover metal forming machines such as hydraulic presses, mechanical presses, and hammers. And we will also talk about tools and dies. All these fundamental aspects are the first part of the course. In the second part, we will describe metal forming processes in details, both sheet metal forming processes and bulk forming processes, and we will analyze these processes quantitatively, and we will make sure that you understand their applications. This course will be found useful by students, undergraduate and graduate students of manufacturing engineering, mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, and metallurgy, or material science and engineering students. It will also be found very useful by practicing engineers in the metal forming industry. I hope that this course will be useful for all of you, and I hope that you will enjoy the course. Thank you again for joining, and see you in the first lecture.